Tired of turning away customers because you only accept cash? Let's get you set up with SumUp so you never miss a sale again. First things first, let's unbox your SumUp card reader inside. You'll find the reader itself, a USB charging cable, and some quick start guides. Make sure that you read them. Before we dive in, plug your SumUp reader in to charge. A full charge usually takes a couple of hours, and it's a good idea to start with a full battery. While it's charging, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet and download the SumUp app. It's free. Once the app is installed, open it up and tap Sign Up. You'll need to enter your business details, including your business name, address, and contact information. Now, this is important. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone or tablet inside the SumUp app. Follow the prompts to connect your card reader via Bluetooth. Your device will search for available devices. Select your SumUp reader and connect it. Next, you'll need to link your bank account so you can receive your payments. The app will guide you through securely entering your bank details. Make sure that you double-check the details you enter. And that's it. Once you've completed the registration process and your account is verified, you're ready to start accepting card payments with SumUp. Now you're all set to boost your sales and keep your customers happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.